Hello everyone, welcome to Learn GK Easy. In this video, we will see 25 GK questions related to animals and birds. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. So now let's start the video. Let's see question number 1. Which is the fastest animal?
Cheetah is the fastest animal.
Question number 2. Which is the largest land animal? Can you guess?
Elephant is the largest land animal.
So now see question number 3. Which is the cunning animal? Do you know?
Fox is the cunning animal.
Question number 4. Which animal carries its baby in its pouch?
Kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch.
Question number 5. Which animal is called the king of the forest?
Lion is called the king of the forest.
Question number 6. Which is the tallest land animal?
Giraffe is the tallest land animal.
Question number 7. Which is the first domestic animal?
Dog is the first domestic animal.
Question number 8. Which animal is friendly with humans?
Dolphin is friendly with humans.
Question number 9. Which is the fastest running bird?
Ostrich is the fastest running bird.
Question number 10. Which bird is called the flightless bird?
Ostrich is called the flightless bird because it cannot fly.
Question number 11. Which bird lives in water?
Duck lives in water.
Question number 12. Which bird is the tallest flying bird?
Crane is the tallest flying bird.
Question number 13. Which bird has red beak and colorful feathers?
Parrot has red beak and colorful feathers.
Number 14. Which bird was used to send letters in ancient times?
Pigeon was used to send letters in ancient times.
Question number 15. Which bird has dagger-like beak and prefer to feed on fish?
Kingfisher has dagger-like beak and prefer to feed on fish.
Question number 16. Which is the heaviest land animal?
African bush elephant is the heaviest land animal.
Question number 17. Which animal is the sheep of the desert?
Camel is the sheep of the desert.
Question number 18. Which is the national animal of India?
Bengal tiger is the national animal of India.
Question number 19. Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock is the national bird of India.
Question number 20. Which is the slowest animal?
Three-toed sloth is the slowest animal.
Question number 21. Which is the laziest animal in the world?
Koala is the laziest animal.
Question number 22. Which bird eyesight is extremely powerful?
Vulture eyesight is extremely powerful.
Question number 23. Which is the fastest swimming bird but it cannot fly?
Penguin is the fastest swimming bird that cannot fly.
Question number 24. Which animal is the most faithful animal?
Dog is the most faithful animal.
Question number 25. This is the last question. Which is the largest animal on earth?
Blue whale is the largest animal on earth.
So these were 25 questions and answers related to animals and birds. If you liked the video, then do like, share and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.